Welcome back. So this is Yum Yum Friends. I'm Chantel.
I'm Angel.
And before we start this video, please like and subscribe. So, lalaro natin yung Brookhaven. Wala si Nasha ngayon kasi starting pa lang natin.
This is actually our new video.
Yeah.
So, let's watch the video first.
Click on the ceiling.
Okay, so
I found something weird in the new Brookhaven update. First claim this house. To the second floor. Click on the ceiling. Take the crystal. Go to the church. Take a lamp and a laptop. Try to get on the roof of the church. Press this. Place a cop. Click this again. The laptop is now connected. Hit the crystal base. Click on the roof. Go in there. Press on this spot under the table. Equip some money. Jump through the labels. Now click on the last spot. Sit on every chair. Look on the screen.
okay, so tara na. Tara na guys.
Let's go.
Okay, napanood na natin. Sorry guys, kasi dun siya, nakaano siya dun sa, vid. Sa pinanood namin. So, dito tayo. Gawa ka. Ay, ako na pala.
Ako na ang gagawa ng criminal day.
Sige. Nasaan yun? Saan yun dito? Ito diba? Ito diba? Okay. So, please wait. Sakto guys, malapit tayo sa church.
Wait lang, kumahanap yung criminal ways.
Okay.
Ito ba yun?
Criminal na yan. Ayan o.
Okay,
Sige, slow na tapos ko lang tingnan. Ito ba talaga? Buksan mo nga. Oh yeah, ito yun. Tara na. So, dito tayo sa second floor daw, diba?
Yeah.
Dito dito. And click. Oh.
Okay.
So,
Get this.
get this.
And go down again.
At pupunta daw tayo sa church.
Yeah, church.
So, lakad na lang tayo dito. So, try natin. So,
Let's get muna.
dito muna tayo.
Laptop and ladder. Kumunta yung laptop sa ladder. Tapos, kuha ka ng laptop. Kuha ng laptop.
Wait.
Let's go.
Ano yung laptop?
Sa taas lang yung laptop.
Ito pala. Tara na.
Go up here na.
Hindi, dapat di ko na pala kailangan ng ladder, no? Ay?
Way up.
Hello, guys.
Ano ka muna? Akit ka muna sa yan. And then,
Tara na.
let's click this. Hindi, click mo muna yan.
Click. Ayan na, kinlik ko na.
Okay, let's go inside.
Let's go.
Naka-equip ko pala.
Ayan na.
Hold on. Paano ko naka-ano?
Hala, paano ko napunta dito? Ayan. So, ngayon,
Bakit wala ako?
Hindi, pupunta muna tayo sa bahay ng
I don't have Ayun, nakakulit na.
Connected na. Sige nga lang. Think failed? Tingnan mo, failed ako.
Ganyan talaga yan. Okay na yan. Napunta na tayo sa
One
house
at a
ko.
time. Ikaw na lang. Sige.
Punta ka muna sa house ko.
Anong number?
22.
Ito. So, tara na. 17 naman ito eh.
Ay. I failed.
Hindi ko na kailangan kasi ano na lang.
Let's go down.
Ikaw na lang ang may kailangan gumawa nito. Kuha ka na money. Kuha ka na money.
Okay, next. Dito sa table na to. And
Sa ilalim.
saan? Here. Dito, I cannot see again. Ay,
Ito, oh. Andi dito. Ayun, oh. Oh.
I cannot see.
Andi dito.
Sorry, malabo na. Hindi ko makita. Ikaw na ang pumindot.
Bawal nga kasi ano.
Hindi ko makita
ako
eh.
yung ano. Okay na.
Ayun, nakita ko na.
Ayun na. O, tara na.
Let's go.
Let's go sa ano. Dito. Kuha ka na money. Kukuha din ako ng money, di ba?
Okay. Baba na dito.
Sagit lang, bababa.
Yan.
Sagit lang. Oh, ayan na.
Diretso lang. Now, click the other.
Asa yung laptop mo? Kung may laptop mo. Ayan.
Hindi ko makita.
Sit in every chair daw.
Hindi ko na makita. Okay, napindot ko na.
So, dun sa ano, sit in every chair. Tapos, dun sa kabila. Tapos, talon pa. Ano nakabasa?
Follow Blindy, do not take money is everything agency.
Okay. Totoo, guys.
True.
Tara na.
Wow.
Okay.
Next.
I-X ko na yung bahay ko. X mo yung bahay mo.
Okay, next.
Next vid.
Find muna ako. Okay. This.
Drop some money, dropping on the money, drop some money, I do it so yummy, yeah.
Ano?
Secret in Brookhaven.
Ano sa Christmas?
Ay, hindi Christmas.
Never enter the yellow house at 3 a.m. Let's get inside. And wait a sec, who is that?
Not that.
How to find Mr. Brookhaven.
How to
First
find
head
Mr.
to the mall. Now go to the movie theater. Go to the room on the left. Click on this green light 3 times. Now type this code.
10.
Wait. I cannot.
Time. Now type this code.
Okay, 10, 3, 8, 9. 10, 3, 8, 9.
Okay.
Now type this code. Now go to the mall's second floor. Grab the card here. Go to this secret area. We found Mr. Brookhaven. How to
Okay. Let's see if it's true or not.
Okay, tara na.
First, go to the mall.
Mall. The mall daw. Ito ba yung mall? Parang bago na.
Yan.
Sa theater.
Theater.
IT. Basta yun.
Click that, like, 1, 2, 3. Okay,
1,
enter
2,
a
3.
code. Ano, what's the
Enter
code?
code.
10, 3,
10.
8, 9.
Ay, 10, 3, 8, 9. Ah.
Wait. 10,
So, baga tayo dito.
3, 8, 9.
Tapos,
Wait.
anong gagawin?
Come here. Punta ulit tayo sa taas.
Sa taas.
Tayo dito and... Ano yung card? Walang card. So, this is busted.
Busted.
Okay, next vid. Next vid naman to.
Yeah. Busted. Ito na yung last vid.
Yeah.
Last vid na. Kasi haba na
Read
sobra.
creepy secrets in Brookhaven. If you run to the cabin and go through the secret roof, you'll find this mysterious doll. This is the ghost that haunts the houses in Brookhaven. If we run to the cinema, you'll see a movie of Mr. Brookhaven's son before disaster. Well, this picture was taken right outside this bakery. Before I show you the
So,
scare...
this is not...
It's just a cigarette, and it cannot be that bad.
Honey, don't you love me and you know it makes me sad.
hidden in
Okay.
Exposing secrets hidden in Brookhaven's mysterious house. I need to get to the abandoned house. That's why I'm going with this scooter to get there faster. Hey guys, leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you love your pets. Do it right now,
Like
guys.
and
I need to
subscribe.
get to the abandoned house.
Yeah.
Now it's very simple. I just need to climb on top of the house. I need to step on this part. Woo! And those rays will be activated in the abandoned house. Here are some warnings. I have to be very careful because at any moment lightning could strike me.
Oh my God.
Wait, you don't have Robux? Click on the link in my bio.
Nope. I don't have Robux. I mean, I do have. Okay, let's go.
So, ito lang. Ayun. So, ito na yung last. Sorry, guys.
This video has been mahaba na.
Okay. Sa abandoned house.
Oh, return.
Return. Sa abandoned house tayo.
By the way, guys, kaya wala yung isang cousin namin kasi may ginagawa siya. Busy siya.
Sinasha. Ayun na ba yung abandoned house?
Yeah.
Okay, so...
Oh, sorry.
Akit daw tayo dito sa taas. Ay!
Up. May ladder ako.
May ladder.
Okay, so,
So, tara na.
oh my god. Then, we're gonna stand here. Oh! Oh my god!
Oh!
Ang galing!
Ito yung ano, warning.
This?
Ano daw?
Oh my god! Oh my god, ang galing!
Okay, guys. So, totoo siya.
This is cool. Ang ganda. Ang galing.
Okay, yun lang, guys. So, magbabay na kami.
Bye!
Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.